Welcome! Today, I am going to share with you 2 health benefits of eating pork belly. Benefit number 1. Pork belly is rich in nutrients and has a quantities of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 contributes to your mental health or brain function, helps with your immune systems, allows for healthy cell division, and helps to reduce tiredness and fatigue. Benefit number 2. Pork belly helps to maintain healthy muscles. The rich protein in pork has a complete amino acids which helps with creating a new muscle mass. Just make sure to exercise as well to ensure a healthy body. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you're interested in a delicious grilled pork belly recipe, I am releasing a very tasty one on Thursday. So hit subscribe and don't miss out. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day!